And action.
You take my love for granted. Say a bunch of stuff you never mean, yeah. I think I need a minute to figure out my limits. You cross them more than once, yeah. You take my love for granted. We keep on.
How's it going, guys? Welcome to Living a Country. Today's video we are doing Brody's room. So we've been moved into this house for 2.5 years, right?
Yeah,
almost 2.5 years. We haven't even once touched Brody's room, but you guys can see no trim around the door. There's no trim around the window. Nothing on the closet. So this is basically one plain shell of a room.
Yeah.
So
we're gonna do DIY trim, DIY painting,
DIY everything. So
DIY pallet wood wall, and we're gonna decorate this room. I'm gonna decorate it and I'm so stinking excited. So this is gonna be affordable and budget friendly. So let's go ahead and get started.
Went ahead and got the windowsill all cleaned up. So I picked up one of these things not too long ago. It's a laser measurer, and it's saved my life tremendously from doing these kind of DIY projects, getting an exact measurement every single time. And so what is so nice is that I'm gonna go ahead and reset this. I just set this butt up against to whatever I'm measuring, and I got my laser over here, and then whatever it is, click OK. There's a spider, and there's my measurement. So much easier than doing it with tape measure, because now when I have this tape measure, I don't really have the best memory when it comes to like especially remembering measurements. So by the time I would go to cut this piece outside, I would already forget my measurements unless I writ everything down. So when I was building the home, I was writing everything on my hand, but now it just saves it right on the screen, and man, it's just been saving my life. So let's go ahead and get this whole thing trimmed up, ready to go, and keep going.
You know I feel it when we touch. That your love is from a different place. It's toxic, babe. Nothing more to say. Let's just waste away.
Okay, so now Jason is cutting all the trim for the base trim, and so far it's going pretty smoothly. We've had some hiccups with the, what was it, the door trim? No, not the door trim, the closet trim. So this is going pretty smoothly, and then I am going to do the base trim inside, and I'm really excited, and then we're gonna start painting.
Love is from a different place. It's toxic, babe. Oh, it's toxic, babe. Yeah, yeah. It's toxic, babe.
I would love to know in the comment section down below if you guys want to see more DIY bedroom makeovers on a budget just like this.
Now that I'm looking back, I can see all the signs I tried to fill in the cracks that were spreading in my mind, but I was all out of hope, lost in an endless maze. The emptiness had unfolded just like a void, but you broke the coldness somehow and lit up a flame. And ooh, I was done feeling hopeless, screamed out loud because it felt impossible in my bones, like getting blood out of the stone on my own. But you came around and removed the thorn in my soul. You guided me out of the storm. I found home in your arms of gold, in your arms of gold, in your arms of gold. It's funny how easily a life can be torn apart. Why couldn't I simply see that I was sick at heart and I am in deep debt? The climb we
So even though this bedroom was a really affordable DIY makeover, there was expenses like the trim, the paint, and things like that that can really add up super fast. And one thing I always recommend is using apps that help you save, and my favorite is Fetch Rewards, and it's something where I will upload my receipts to and I get gift cards back. And so I love using those at Home Depot, I love using those at Target, and I love using those at Starbucks. And so I get free drinks, I get free gift cards to Target, and it slowly adds up. And so that was one of the ways I actually shiplapped one of our rooms for almost absolutely free. So I'll leave a link down in the description box if you guys want to check out Fetch Rewards, because I absolutely love it. And it's really helped our family save a lot of money too.
Stop it round and stop it round all through the town. And the wheels on the bus goes round and round. Paint, paint, paint. Paint, paint, paint. The wheels on the bus go paint, paint, paint. All through the town. Jesus, that's sweet. He actually does paint with me all the way around Bubba's room. Good morning.
Show me your hands.
I need more paint, Mom.
Oh, wow.
But you came around and removed the thorn in my soul. You guided me out of the storm. I found home in your arms of gold. In your arms of gold. In your arms of gold. I rise from the ashes with pins and patches. We carry on. I rise from the ashes. I heal from your passion. My doubts are gone. Gold.
So here is a update of what Brody's room is looking like. Now, this black wall doesn't look finished, obviously, and it's because it doesn't look like it's finished. The corners and stuff, it's not perfect because Jason's idea and his thought process was to paint it black because we did these DIY crate wall in his office, and there's going to be, little gaps and spaces, and you can see the white wall. So since this is his accent wall, and when you are coming right into his room, that is what you're going to see, we wanted it to look as nice as possible, although it's free pallet wood. So Jason just got done taking these all apart. They look great. He took the best pieces, and so we are going to kind of puzzle piece these together and create just a beautiful wall for absolutely free.
I've been feeling so small. Watch the clock ticking off the wall. But tonight I'm letting it go. Spend my coin for sure. I'm gonna be myself, or I could be someone else. No one's stopping me now. I'm gonna skip my breaks. I'm gonna make mistakes. I just wanna feel alive. It's just what I do when I'm out, so try not to hold me down. Feel alive when I'm in this town. Look at those beautiful stars. I wanna drive a faster car. Nothing can break me, no, nothing can break me. Try not to hold me down. Feel alive when I'm in this town. Look at those beautiful stars. I wanna take a trip to Mars. Nothing can break me, no, nothing can break me. I wanna drive a faster car. Lay my troubles to rest. Blow the smoke through my cigarette. City lights looking fine, and I know this is my time now. I'm gonna be myself, or I could be someone else. No one's stopping me now. I'm gonna skip my breaks. I'm gonna make mistakes. I just wanna feel alive. It's just what I do when I'm out, so try not to hold me down. Feel alive when I'm in this town. Look at those beautiful stars. I wanna drive a faster
Now,
car.
decor-wise, everything was super budget-friendly for Brody's room. If I didn't already have it, which when I did buy the majority of these things, it was from his baby shower 2.5 years ago because it was truck themed. And so the majority of the things, like the 1, 2, 3, 4 Hobby Lobby lockers, those are from Hobby Lobby. And I got that 30% off, and it's one of my favorite little things that we bolted to the wall, as well as the exit sign. That was a little bit of a splurge at $32, but I love how it lit up. It's so cute. And his bed was one of the easiest things to put together. I got it from Wayfair, and I'll link it down below, and I want to say it was about $90. Now, while we're on the topic of all things beds, I want to thank Sutera for partnering with us on today's video. Their Dream Deep pillow is absolutely amazing, and if you guys aren't familiar with my channel, you guys can see from my profile of myself that I do have back and neck issues. It's very, you can see, and so it's something I struggle with, and getting a good night's sleep is so important to me. And so I am so excited, even when just reading a book, to have something that supports my neck and back and helps me, as well as when I'm sleeping too. So I want to share with you guys a little bit about it and share with you guys all the details, and Sutera was kind enough also to give you guys a promo code too. So some of the benefits that the Dream Deep pillow might provide is energy boost, cooling memory foam, stress reduction, back, hip, and joint relief, and a restful sleep. And one thing I love about the Dream Deep pillow is it's compatible with different sleeping positions. So if you sleep on your back, side, or even on your tummy, it's compatible with all sleeping positions, which is absolutely great. I recommend this pillow to anybody that has neck and back problems because it's not just the comfort of the sleeping position, but I'm wanting to save my neck and back from any future pains. And so when I wake up, I want to feel not only having a restful night's sleep, but I also want my back and neck to feel better. And Sutera was kind enough to give my viewers a 20% off coupon, so go ahead and check it out in the links in the description box below. And a big thank you to Sutera for partnering with us on today's video. Okay, I'm so excited to share with you guys the reveal of my little boy's room. It's obviously always going to be a work in progress, no matter what room I do. There's always going to be something, and in this video, it's the closet, because we just don't need the closet yet. All of his clothes fit in the dresser, and I'm so excited to share with you guys this reveal. So let's go ahead and share the room. Let's go ahead and do a room tour. Okay, so when we open Brody's door, we have this little toddler monitor on here that alerts me when, to my phone actually, when Brody opens the door or anything like that. So excited to have that. I've had it for about 3 years now, and it's honestly just such a lifesaver. So we're gonna go ahead and open the door and do a little tour. Okay, so when you enter Brody's room, we have our DIY pallet wood wall, which we did for free. We still absolutely love it. The only thing we probably don't 100% love about this room is probably the paint color, and that's okay. There's gonna be always something. I have Brody's little racetrack set up there in the closet for now because he loves it, and he'll get really upset if it's put away. We have a playroom, and so the majority of the kids' toys are in there, and then we have a closet where we store the kids' toys, so it's put away. So we just have them bring it out or in here in their rooms when they want to play with it. So next we have this locker, and this is from Hobby Lobby. It was 30% off. My friend Charlie from Farmhouse, Charlie, she had one. I was like, where did you get one from? And so she was like, Hobby Lobby. So I went and picked one up, and I love it in here. I just think it's something that's so cool because it can be styled in so many different ways. I think she has hers in her living room, and I mean, I have it in my little boy's room. So many cool ways to style it, which is fun. I've got his antique truck up here, and then I just have it styled with the fake gas oil
It's supposed to be a fake antique. And then Route 66 sign, that was from Brody's grandma. And then I got this exit sign from a local shop, and I love it. It is battery powered and has little lights in it. And like I always say, I love antiques, but I do get a lot of reproduction. Back here we have this fun sign, Gas for Less. I will link that down below. If you guys want, I'll link everything in the description box below, as much as I can at least. I just got this bed in actually yesterday. So his bed has been on the floor, Brody's, and he loves it. It was so easy to put together. And I didn't film it because I was up till about 11 o'clock at night putting it together. So it didn't take long. I just was up and wanted to get things done. And then of course we have our Betty's bed. This is the first Betty's bed that we've ever had. And I've got a coupon code for you guys down below, but I love it. Brody loves it, and it's just such a fun way to make your bed with this zipper. And look at this lining inside. How beautiful is that? So it's like if you guys haven't heard of Betty's bed, it is like almost like a sleeping bag bedding. I'll show you guys. So it's just one piece. I'll take it apart for you guys. It's so fun. But the blanket and sheets are in one, and you just lift it up and there's this mattress. And Brody does not have a new mattress or anything like that. This is one from, I don't even know where we got it from. It's from forever ago. So we wanted to do this as affordably as possible. So both of the kids' rooms, all the rooms, we want to do as affordable as possible. So then over here we have this Route 66 motor oil can that I got actually for Brody's baby shower. I bought it because that was the theme of it. And so all of his Disney cars are actually in there. And we have a lot of them that were either given, that we've gotten from Goodwill or garage sales, things like that. So, or at Walmart, or birthdays. So, Jedi's joining us now. We have this area. I don't have this old times sign hung up yet because I just can't commit to it yet on this wall. So I keep mixing it around between two walls. I've got Brody's diapers in a crates and pallet little crate. And then this dresser we have had since moving in. And it's just a normal dresser. There's nothing special about it, but I like it. That Route 66 sign is from Hobby Lobby. And I mean, I could do without this little, it's a nightlight and the kids love it. You do something with it and it changes colors. Brody got a dinosaur and Aria has a unicorn, and Daddy bought it for them, so it's special. But I like to try to theme things, but it's fun. And so that is Brody's little room makeover. And just imagine lots of toys being brought in here, and we wanted to do something where he could grow into it. It was themed, fun, something he loves, which is trucks and cars, but also matched our house a little bit. So I hope you guys enjoyed this room makeover, this room tour on a budget, and I hope you guys have a wonderful day. I'll see you guys later. Bye.